Assalamualaikum. I am a well-wisher angel. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on the video. This video consists of reduced syllabus, paper pattern, multiple choice question and which topics are related to business statistics and connected to the federal board syllabus. First we discuss the reduced syllabus. Reduced syllabus, नेचर ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक. नेचर ऑफ स्टैटिक, व्हाट इज़ द स्टैटिस्टिक. इसमें व्हाट इज़ ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक आ सकता है. इसमें ब्रांचेस ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स, फील्ड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट फील्ड्स इन यूज इन स्टैटिस्टिक्स, limitation of statistic, function of the statistic. These topics are covered in nature of statistic. Statistical data, types of data, primary data and secondary data. प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डेटा में जो है वो आपके क्लासिफिकेशन आ जाएगी बेसिस ऑन टाइम, एरिया एंड अदर क्लासेस. एवरेजेस ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में मीन, मीडियन, मोड आएगा आपका. ठीक है. इंडेक्स नंबर, इसमें आपका जो है सिंपल इंडेक्स नंबर आएगा, कंपोजिट इंडेक्स नंबर, वेटेड, अनवेटेड इंडेक्स नंबर शामिल है. अब पेपर पैटर्न की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन क्या है. इसमें 3 सेक्शन होंगे, सेक्शन ए, सेक्शन बी, सेक्शन सी. सेक्शन ए में जो है वो 10 MCQs होंगे. ये जो रिड्यूस सिलेबस है ये इसके दो MCQs जो है इन 10 MCQs में कवर होंगे. एंड सेक्शन बी में क्या है, इसमें शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है जिसमें न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन भी है और थ्योरेटिकल क्वेश्चन भी है. टोटल 11 क्वेश्चन होंगे जिसमें से आपको 8 क्वेश्चन करने होंगे और हर एक क्वेश्चन के जो है वो 3 मार्क्स हैं. सेक्शन सी जो है इसमें 3 क्वेश्चन है, ये लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन, ये टोटल न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चंस हैं. इसमें से 2 क्वेश्चन करने हैं और ये 2 क्वेश्चन आपके 2 क्वेश्चन जो करने हैं वो आपके प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डेटा की टैली शीट वाला आ सकता है जिसमें फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कवर हो रही है. इसमें मीन, मीडियन, मोड और इंडेक्स नंबर का मेथड आ रहा है. अब इन 3 क्वेश्चन में से 2 क्वेश्चन अगर आप एवरेज ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर एंड इंडेक्स नंबर अच्छे तरीके से कवर कर लेते हैं, पूरे चैप्टर को अच्छे तरीके से कवर कर लेते हैं, इसमें से 4 MCQs आपके सेक्शन ए में कवर हो जाएंगे और सेक्शन बी में आपके 4 क्वेश्चन यहाँ से कवर हो जाएंगे और सेक्शन सी में से आपका पूरे 2 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट किए जा सकते हैं. Now we discuss section A, which consists of MCQs. These MCQs are consist and cover all the topics which related to business statistics. First MCQs हमारा क्या है, स्पेसिफिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ अ पॉपुलेशन इज कॉल्ड पैरामीटर. कोई भी पॉपुलेशन से हम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक लेते हैं या कैलकुलेट करते हैं पॉपुलेशन डेटा से, उसका जो रिजल्ट होता है वो पैरामीटर होता है. अ वैल्यू विच डज नॉट चेंज from one individual to another individual is called constant. If there are no gaps between consecutive classes, the limits are called class boundaries. The cumulative frequency of last class in less than cumulative frequency distribution is equal to the sum f. When the values in the series are not of equal importance, we calculate the weighted mean. The total of all observation divided by the number of observation is called arithmetic mean. An index number is called a simple index when it is computed from single variable. Less price index number is also called base year weighted method. Less price index का अक्सर नाम जो है वो base year weighted लिया जाता है. When the price of year is divided by the price of particular year, हर ईयर को उसके पर्टिकुलर ईयर से डिवाइड किया जाए तो वो आपका सिंपल रिलेटिव कहलाता है. कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स आर कॉल्ड वेटेड इंडेक्स नंबर. कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स नंबर इज आल्सो कॉल्ड कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर विच इज CPI. The class interval is the difference between two successive upper limits. A grouping of data into mutually exclusive classes showing the number of observation in each class is called frequency distribution. Census return are primary data. When the variable steady can be reported numerically, the variable is called quantitative data. क्वांटिटेटिव वो डेटा होता है जिसको हम मेजर कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल हाइट, वेट. पार्शियल प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर इज आल्सो कॉल्ड करंट ईयर वेटेड मेथड या करंट वेटेड ईयर मेथड. If all the values are not of equal importance, the index number is called weighted index number. If sum I 1 to 10 x minus 50 is equal to 100, then sample mean x bar will be 60. शॉर्टकट मेथड यहाँ पर यूज़ करेंगे. x बार इज इक्वल टू a प्लस सम d ओवर n एंड सम d इज इक्वल टू sum x minus 50 which is equal to 100 and divided by 10, n is equal to 10 and a is equal to 50. Then we get 60. The sum of squares of deviation of the values of a variable is least when the deviation are measured from mean. कोई भी डेविएशन अगर हम मीन से लें, स्क्वायर डेविएशन अगर हम मीन से लेते हैं वो हमेशा मिनिमम होती है किसी और डेविएशन में से हम उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करें. A graph of time series और historical series is called histogram. Histogram जो है वो basically time series graph होता है. The class frequency divided by the total number of observation is called relative frequency. Statistics are aggregate of facts and figure. Listing of the data in order of numerical magnitude are called array data. A set of all units of interest in study is called sample. In the singular sense, statistics mean methods. In classification, the data are arranged according to similarities. The class boundaries can be taken when the nature of variable is continuous. जब आपकी वेरिएबल की नेचर जो है वो कॉन्टीन्यूस होगी तो हम हमेशा क्लास बाउंड्रीज लेते हैं. If x bar is equal to 100 and y bar is equal to 2x minus 200, then mean of y will be 0. The mode or model value of distribution is the value of the variant for which frequency is maximum. Maximum frequency ऐसा पॉइंट होता है जहां पर हमें मोड मिल सकता है. A number that measures a relative change in a single variable with respect to a base is called simple. Chain process is used to make comparison of price index number in link relative. A part of the population selected for study is called sample. A variable that assumes only some selected values in a range is called continuous. The largest and smallest value of any data of a frequency distribution are called class limits. The number of tally sheet count for each value or group is called frequency. The sum mean x bar is calculated by all these formulas. D option is correct, all of the above. The midpoints of the value after they have been ordered from the smallest to largest or the largest to the smallest is called median. Consumer price index number are composite index number. When the price of a year divided by the price of the preceding year, we get link relative. Link relative is equal to the current year divided by preceding year and multiply by 100. A variable that assumes any value within range is called continuous. In the plural sense, statistics mean numerical. In relative frequency distribution, the total of relative frequencies is 1. Sum of relative frequencies is equal to 1. The arrangement of data in rows and columns is called tabulation. When all the values in series occur the equal number of times, then it is not possible to calculate weighted mean. If the arithmetic mean of 20 values is 10, the sum of these 20 values is 200. The mean is equal to x bar and n is equal to 20. 20 multiplied by 100 is equal to 200. We get sum of 20 observation is 200. A number that measures an average relative change in group of related variable with respect to base is called composite index number. Base year quantities or weights are used in लेस प्रेस. लेस प्रेस में हम जो है क्वांटिटीज़ एज अ बेस लेते हैं, इस वजह से इसको हम बेस ईयर वेटेड इंडेक्स भी बोलते हैं. अ ग्राफिकल डिवाइस यूज टू लिस्ट ऑल पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ अ सीक्वेंस ऑफ आउटकम इन अ सिस्टमैटिक वे इज कॉल्ड ट्री डायग्राम. The data which have undergone any statistical treatment previous is called secondary data. A variable which differ from one object to another object is called variable. The cumulative frequency of first group in more than cumulative frequency distribution is always equal to sum f. In statistical table, row caption are called stub. The sample mean x bar is called statistic. If the values of mean, median and mode coincide in a unimodal distribution, then the distribution will be symmetrical. If all the values are of equal importance, the index number are called unweighted index number. In chain-based method, the base period is not fixed. A specific characteristic of a sample is called statistic. Questionnaire method is used in collecting primary data. The average of lower class and upper class limit is called class mark. The number of classes in a frequency distribution is obtained by dividing the range of variable by the class interval. Which of the following is correct in positively skewed distribution? Mean is greater than, median is greater than mode. Option C is correct option. The first step in calculating the median of a discrete वेरिएबल इज़ टू डिटर्मिन द अरे. मीडियन के लिए कोई भी डेटा सेट हो, डिस्क्रीट या कॉन्टिन्यूस, आपको पहले अरेंज करना ज़रूरी है इन केस ऑफ अनग्रुप डेटा. चेंज ऑफ ओरिजिन एंड स्केल इज़ यूज फॉर calculation of the arithmetic mean. Change of origin and scale is concept is used in arithmetic mean topic. The ratio of sum of prices in current period to the sum of prices in the base period expressed as a percentage is called simple aggregative. Sum PON is equal to sum P and divided by sum P not multiplied by 100 is called simple aggregative index. The method used to determine something about population on the basis of the sample is called inferential statistics. Listing of the data in the form in which these are collected are known as raw data. In percentage frequency distribution, the total of percentage frequencies is always equal to 100. In statistical table, column caption are called box head. Any measure indicating the center of a set of data arranged in an increasing or decreasing order of magnitude is known as measure of center tendency. A curve that tails off to left and is called negatively skewed. B option is correct. The combined arithmetic mean is calculated by the formula n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2 when n is equal to 2. Link relative of current year is equal to the divided is equal to price of current year divided by price of preceding year multiplied by 100. Data that are collected by anybody for specific purpose and use are called primary data. When data are classified to a single characteristic is called simple classification. In statistical table, prefatory note is known as below the table title. जो आपका प्रीफेक्टरी नोट होता है वो आपका बिलो द टाइटल शो किया जाता है. इफ़ a set of data has one mode and its value is less than mean, the mean distribution is called positively skewed. If x bar is equal to 25, which of the following will be minimum? sum x minus 25 का whole square is correct option. Which of the following average can have more than one value? Mode is correct option. Mode have more than one values. An index number that measure average relative change in group of variables keeping in view the relative importance of the variable are called composite index number. When the characteristic being studied non-numeric, it is known as qualitative. Qualitative like hair color, eye color, color, red color of car is quality, is non-numerical quality, is non-numerical scale. Statistics are always estimated. The sum of rows and sum of columns of bivariate frequency distribution is called sum f of x. The graph of cumulative frequency distribution is called ogive. cumulative frequency distribution के लिए जो ग्राफ होता है वो आपका ओगिव या ओजिव ग्राफ कहलाता है. The mean for a set of data obtained by assigning each data value a weight that reflects its relative importance within the set is called weighted mean. When the base year values are used as a weights, the weighted average of relative price index number is the same as the less price index number. The sum of first and natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Step deviation method or coding method is used for computation of arithmetic mean. arithmetic mean का ये एक मेथड है जिस पर हम स्टेप डेविएशन लगाते हैं. ये आपकी लार्ज वैल्यू को स्मॉल वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट करके एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट प्रोवाइड करता है. In moderately skewed distribution, mean is 45 and median 30. The value of mode is this is answer is 0. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. The histogram is the graphical representation of data which are classified according to time. Number of family members in different family in a town is an example of discrete variable. A pie diagram is represented by a circle. When an attribute has more than 3 levels, इसका manifold. Attributes mean qualitative. Width of interval h is equal to range of number of classes. The general purchasing power of the currency of a country is determined by the composite index number. Suitable average for averaging the size shoes for children is mode. Correct option is mode. The proportion of families in a sample of 50 accounts officer is an example of statistics. Statistics is variable. Consumer price index number are obtained by less price. In unimodal statistical distribution, the highest point on the curve is called mean, median, mode, all of the above. Symmetrical distribution में ये तीनों पॉइंट कंसाइंट होते हैं, इसलिए इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है all of the above. The most suitable average for qualitative data is weighted mean, combined mean, geometric mean and mode. Mode is the most suitable value average for qualitative data set. Thanks for watching my video.